The Breville BBL9 to OBTR Super Cube blender stands out as a top-tier, commercial-grade blender built for home use. From its sleek black truffle design to its unmatched 1800-watt motor, it delivers both power and performance. The blender's ability to reach blade tip speeds of 186 mph under load makes it incredibly fast and efficient, effortlessly transforming ingredients into smooth, creamy textures. One of the most impressive aspects is its versatility. With 5 intuitive one-touch programs including smoothies, ice crush, frozen desserts, and soup, it's capable of handling a wide range of recipes. The 12 speed settings allow for even finer control, making everything from nut butters to spice grinds easy and precise. The 68 ounces jug is ideal for family-sized portions, while the included 24-oz personal cup and separate blade system make it convenient for single servings too. This blender's performance isn't just about brute strength. The noise suppression technology is a welcome feature, making it much quieter than other high-powered models. The auto clean function is another thoughtful touch, simplifying cleanup after use. Additionally, the intelligent base automatically detects whether you're using the full-size jug or the personal blender, optimizing performance accordingly. It's also compatible with the vacuum accessory sold separately, which further enhances blending results by removing air before blending. Ideal for achieving even smoother textures and more vibrant flavors. Overall, the Super Q is a serious blender for serious users. It's well-constructed, powerful, intelligently designed, and quieter than expected for its class. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or specialty drinks, this blender handles it all with ease and precision. This product delivers outstanding performance across a wide range of kitchen tasks. The enhanced processing lid and select cut discs make shredding, slicing, and grating more accurate and efficient, turning food prep into a quick and satisfying process. The 1600 peak watt motor combined with smarter key ensures it powers through even the toughest ingredients without stalling, which makes a noticeable difference when dealing with frozen or dense foods. The 40th smoothie bowl maker is especially impressive, using a built-in tamper to blend thick ingredients with minimal liquid, perfect for smoothie bowls or homemade nut butters. The nutrient extraction cup also stands out, producing incredibly smooth, nutrient-rich drinks from fruits and vegetables with ease. With variable speed control, it's simple to adjust texture and consistency to suit any recipe. And the 7 Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of common tasks like smoothies, shopping, and spreads. The hybrid edge blade assembly further enhances blending power, easily breaking down frozen fruits, seeds, and ice for smoother results every time. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. And the comprehensive set of accessories: pitcher, smoothie bowl, extraction cup, multiple blade assemblies, discs, and even a dough blade makes it a truly versatile addition to any kitchen. This is a reliable, all-in-one solution for blending, processing, and more. This blender delivers serious power with its 1800 peak watt motor base, effortlessly handling tough ingredients without slowing down. One of its standout features is the BlendSense technology, which smartly adjusts speed and blending time to ensure consistently smooth results. The intuitive dial makes it easy to see which mode the blender is in, making the overall experience seamless even for beginners. The 72-ounce full-size pitcher is perfect for making large batches of smoothies or frozen drinks, ideal for families or entertaining. The total crushing and chopping blade assembly lives up to its name. Ice, vegetables, and more are processed quickly and evenly, with impressive consistency. It also offers one-touch preset programs, which are a huge time saver when prepping things like salsa or dips. The 10-speed variable control adds flexibility, especially when using the full-size pitcher. For smaller servings, the two 24-ounce single-serve cups are a convenient option, and the spout lids make them great for taking drinks on the go. A clever bonus is the liquid detect feature, which alerts you if more liquid is needed in the single-serve cup, helping prevent blending issues. Cleanup is easy. Everything from the containers to the lids and blades is top rack, dishwasher safe, and BPA free. Overall, this product combines power, smart features, and ease of use in a way that makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their blending game. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile blender that won't break the bank, the Hamilton Beach Blender delivers solid performance with a few standout features that make it a great choice for everyday use. First off, it's got plenty of power. With 700 watts at peak performance and sturdy stainless steel ice saber blades, it handles everything from protein shakes to frozen fruit without hesitation. Whether you're making your morning smoothie or prepping frozen drinks for guests, it consistently delivers smooth, even results. One of the highlights is its unique wave tilde action system, which keeps ingredients moving down toward the blades. This ensures everything gets thoroughly blended. Even tough chunks of ice or fibrous greens don't stand a chance. The results are impressively smooth for a blender in this price range. Pouring is also hassle-free thanks to the thoughtfully designed spout, which helps prevent messes. Cleanup is just as easy. With a durable 40-ounce glass jar, lid, and blades that can all go straight into the dishwasher. With 12 different functions controlled through a simple, user-friendly panel, it offers great flexibility. Whether you're chopping veggies, making purees, or just crushing ice, it's more than capable of handling a wide variety of kitchen tasks. If you're looking for a high-performance kitchen appliance that can handle a wide range of tasks, this all-in-one blender and food processor system delivers impressive results. Whether you're prepping smoothies, dough, or salsas, this machine is built to take on demanding kitchen duties with ease. The large capacity pitcher is perfect for making big batches. Whether you're hosting guests or just meal prepping for the week, it handles frozen ingredients and ice effortlessly, producing smooth, consistent textures every time. The included personal-sized cups with lids are a great bonus for anyone who wants a quick, portable option for shakes or smoothies on busy mornings. One of the standout features is the food processor bowl. It handles chopping and pureeing evenly and quickly and even takes care of dough, mixing in a fraction of the time it would take by hand. Swapping between attachments is straightforward, and each blade is designed specifically for the task at hand, so you get optimized results whether you're blending, mixing, or chopping. Cleaning up is simple, with all detachable parts being dishwasher safe. The motor base requires just a quick wipe with a damp cloth, but it's worth noting that the blades are sharp, so extra care is needed when handling or washing them. Overall, this system is an excellent choice for anyone who wants versatility and power in the kitchen. It replaces multiple appliances and saves counter space without compromising performance.